Understanding the phrase, stuck in a groove, an English language guide. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English idioms. We're going to explore the phrase, stuck in a groove. This idiom is not just about music or literal grooves, but it's a fascinating way to describe a very common situation. So, let's unravel its meaning and usage together. The phrase, stuck in a groove, originates from the old days of vinyl records. When a record had a scratch, the needle would get stuck and repeat the same part over and over. Metaphorically, when someone is stuck in a groove, it means they are trapped in a repetitive pattern or routine, often without realizing it. It could relate to habits, thoughts, or behaviors. It's not necessarily negative, but it often implies a lack of progress or change. To understand it better, let's look at some examples. 1. Work routine. If someone says, "I've been doing the same tasks every day. I feel like I'm stuck in a groove," they mean they are caught in a monotonous work routine. 2. Personal habits. Consider someone who eats the same meal for lunch daily. They might jokingly say they are stuck in a lunch groove. 3. Thought patterns. When a person obsessively worries about the same problem, a friend might advise, "You need to get out of this worry groove." When using stuck in a groove, it's important to contextualize it with a situation that involves repetition or unchanging patterns. It's a casual phrase, perfect for everyday conversations or informal writing. You can use it to express empathy, self-reflection, or even humor. Interestingly, this phrase can also lead to a discussion on how to break out of repetitive patterns. It's about finding new ways, trying different things, or changing one's perspective. So, it's not just about the problem, but also about the potential for change and growth. Stuck in a groove is a colorful way to describe being caught in repetitive patterns. We hope this exploration has given you a clearer understanding of this phrase and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey with many interesting turns. Keep exploring, and happy learning!